just sandies, so all the locals know it. So yeah, this spot is actually pretty famous for tourists and a lot of bodyboarders. I'll put in a clip later on the bodyboard. And then yeah, it's just a fun time out here, just walking on the coast. Taking a little walk on the beach. Well, this is more like the rock area, like reef area. And then yeah, so we're probably gonna head back soon later. And then yeah, we're maybe gonna go to a different spot and go snorkel over there, like see a little reefs and stuff. I don't know about that, but yeah, it's just a fun time. Starting to get high tide, so yeah, we might just be heading back. So I thought it was a good idea to take the GoPro into the ocean with the head mount. And yeah, I lost it because I was keeping it like with my hand. I was holding it tight the whole time, but then this one wave just like tore me apart and I just let go and the GoPro got ripped off my hand. So yeah, then it was like we looked for 10 minutes, did not find it. Went out, we're like, yeah, let's just cut the loss. It's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's kind of sad about it. And then we were just like, what is the chance of like 1% chance of just finding it? And then we went in again, and then one of my buddies actually found the whole GoPro with the head mount. So yeah, I was like, today can't just get better. It just can't. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put that in. And then, yeah, so I lost my GoPro and then found it again. So yeah, today just can't get any better. Got a smoothie, and we're probably gonna go to a sushi joint, and then yeah, but it's Lakaya smoothies or something. Yeah, it's pretty good. I got some B-roll too of the sushi, the smoothie place. So yeah, I'll probably put that in too. Yeah, and we find this cool location that looks amazing. I'll just show you too. It's like this little dock thingy for boats, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is in Waikiki. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little, basically a tour of Sandy Beach in Hawaii. So yeah, if you're ever in Hawaii, just look up Sandy Beach. It's a pretty cool place. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. yeah, so change of plans. We're actually gonna go watch the sunset at Waikiki, and then yeah, that will probably be the end of the video, the sunset. So yeah, fun day. Yeah, we'll see where it goes. They got like a little festival thing, like a farmer's market behind us. So I don't know if you can like see it, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And then yeah, probably just chill. You know. Here. So yeah, there's the sunset. But it's whatever. This will be the end of the video. Enjoy the nightlife right now to see what's up, and then yeah, I thought the sunset was gonna be the end of the video, but it's not. So yeah, we'll see. We're gonna light up the sky, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky. of the vibe. So if you ever come, like vacation, whatever, this place is pretty sick. So yeah, let's go in there. This will be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it.